Interesting, eh? Very interesting. Oh, so it's like a, what do they call that? Cheesecloth or something. I see. That is an interesting one. So it boils out mostly almost to nothing, but it still leaves some of the seaweed at the end. The too hard part or whatever. This is wicked.
Just like that.
Hell yeah, brother.
Let's put that. Yes, sir. See you leave in mind. Let's shake it up and get run out. See that?
Yeah. You do anything extra with the leftover stuff inside?
Yeah.
Dash it away.
See this spoon already?
Yeah.
Make it thick.
Yeah.
One breather catch it, brother. Can't drink the book, you know. Whoa.
Well, that's what you got left.
Finish now.
Seems like it's one of those things that'd be really good for your skin too, yeah? Like moisturizing, like an aloe plant. It's got that same thick texture.
See, they could grab them though. That's why you should strain it with that.
Oh, you gotta get really fine, yeah.
Yeah.
Because whatever stuff gets stuck to the seaweed or sand or shells.
Yeah,
or
everything
whatever.
get poked, they say, you know?
Yeah.
That's how we do it, sir. Orange sugar. Everything gets sweet now, then. After that preparation, I put that thing down sweet and the sugar now. You see it, sir, but you don't look right. You will see it when it come up. It look like coffee now, you know? Let me be using a spoon, you know. You see, boy, I like to I don't go do this left, eh?
Yeah. Ah, the condensed milk. It's all making sense to me now.
So the people don't want to see how the sheet dark. They want it let people like it dark too and get it dark. But that's how you deal with it. But then see it's what now? By the Irish man. And a $4.5 me. Cannot put over some Irish man. So you can go mad. Don't look at it now you want. I have no time for you, me do nothing. Take up money and come on.
Well, maybe one day we'll put it in our store somehow. Not picked by you per se, but we'll have our own Ross Kitchen Irish Mosh brand. Mokko Change the Mood.
So quick. Watch, let that go on.
Yeah.
Just tip and make down around it. Change the mood so quick, man. Couldn't believe. From black to white.
Bam.
Fuck. So Irish man, just change the tune, people. More sweet yet still in a bud. Still no upgrade yet.
Alright.
You don't say Mokko up there with the American and the Irish man.
What are you drawing?
I'm drawing something in the Irish man. Good life.
Alright.
Good life right around the world. Jamaica. Yeah. So don't say them and watch Irish man video. And that me come to Jamaica for you know. Me say, hey, don't know it's expensive. This make you have all the pickney where you have.
Alright.
Irish man. You breed a lot of women, you know. If they want to breed up sitting, if they want to breed up sitting. When it's hot, you know, like a flower, and you throw this, we not go here if we drink the whole of day. We will go put some of them in the bottle and Betty make that, man. Betty make sweet condensed milk, man.
You should be a spokesperson for Betty. Do the commercials for them just like that.
Drink it hot, so.
Yeah, do people drink it hot usually?
Yes, man.
Okay, because I've seen it in the grocery store and like the can, it's usually cold, so.
Yeah, antique.
Yeah.
Antique. So you see this? That's the best way I go drink it now.
Alright.
When it hot. But when you put it in the back, it go thick, you know.
Once it cools, it gets a lot thicker.
Yeah, man. So this you can drink an extra amount of this, man.
Alright.
When it's there, so now. Yeah, man.
Getting real full now that the condensed milk is in there.
Change from dark to white tea. That's a Irish man. Everybody I jump up, they want to see Irish man. This is it. Don't think it want. Well, no, that's sweet way there, but you can't drink, you know.
It's fine with me. You know how I roll.
Yes, sir. Some post piece of mash.
One stray piece.
Straight piece, man.
Whoever gets it is the winner.
Yes, sir. Nobody know who's gonna get it. Taxi man ain't see me already. You know, go. You know, that we got the one car.
Got the ride this time. It's very nice having it. I think I'm gonna do it every time now.
And then now, look upon this. When they hear me say, I go up and say, look, my vehicle, you know. When I drive it, no, that is my car, you know. They don't ask me because they know me have my vehicle now, so. They don't even know no shit about me. Yes, sir. Hardcore salmon, them, man.
Yeah, they go non-stop.
Non-stop, yeah, we got all them deaf, you know. Deaf, bloodclaat, man, them.
Cheers, man. Appreciate it. That's a lot of work for it, but.
Good Irish man, you know? Yes, man.
Wow.
I don't think a seat I get fucking seat I get
Yeah, on the table it's like congealing.
Yeah, that's why I
cool.
say I want to make it cool down before me drink it. Like, it must go cool down in me.
Very
like that
nice.
way.
Very nice as a warm one because I've had it. You'll see it in the stores here a lot. Carrageen, or they'll call it Irish Moss. Drink cold.
Yeah.
In the can. But.
You know, but that never work. This works. See? I did drop dead at sleep. That's why you see me in a move with it so fast.
Yeah.
That I sleep in Irish Moss. And you drink it cold, like you always I go get it thick. Like all night back there now when I go get it, like I'm gonna put it back on the fridge, I go get it thick in. I say if you drink it, man, warm. You know, drink that way then. Oh, bless up. The good Irish mash. When you come and want a drink, you can't say it. And you know, this make a lot of pickney, you know. All who don't have none, you know.
Be careful if you're not looking.
Yeah, good. You know, be careful. And this drink, this is Irish man, seaweed that, you know. Sea thing, anything come from the ocean, it's very powerful. Want to know that? Anything come from out of the nature is a powerful drink. Just like this right now. It's Irish man. So we don't have anything, anytime. You slip and drink it. You know you can get 2, 3, 2. And I see people have all 3 picnic down here too. Try them in.
Triplets?
Yes sir.